How's going on everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about the best 3D printer beta edition with our OrcaSlicer. So basically, there's the main important settings that we have to change first, and that's going to be inside quality. Basically, inside this page, you then want to locate the layer height. In here, for the first layer height or the layer height, you want to change this into something like 0.2 to 0.28. You can just modify this depending on your printer. You want to experiment between those values to see which value provides with the best results. From there, head over to the lined width, and then we have our first layer. In here, you want to choose 120% to 140%. Normally, this will be set to millimeters, but we can use the percentage value. So once again, 120 and 140 is going to be the sweet spot. From there, let's head over to the speed section. Basically, inside this page, we then have the first layer speed. In here, we can significantly lower this down to something like 15 to 25 millimeters per second. Now in this way, it will provide us with a thicker first layer that basically helps the filament stick better. And lastly, for the initial layer travel speed, you can change this into something like 100 to 105%. From there, we then want to increase the bed temperature. Basically, you can just click on any one of these pens right here, depending on your filament. Basically, there's multiple temperatures for different filaments. For PLA, you generally want to use between 55 to 65 Celsius. For the PETG, you want to use 70 to 80, ABS 90 to 110, and lastly, TPU is going to be between 50 and 60. Higher bed temperature improves our adhesion. So you want to head over to the material setting, and in here we have our bed temperature. Since I'm using PLA, I'll just select something like 65 to 65 right here, which works best for my specific printer. And for our last tip, you want to apply brim onto our 3D print. To explain, basically a brim is a single layer thick flat brim attached directly onto the edges of the model's base right here. It's designed to increase surface area for better bed adhesion. To do that, you just want to head over to the others option at the end of our categories right here. And then we have the brim category. You can just select something like automatic if this is your first time doing it. But if you want to categorize this into something like mouse ear, painted, and more, of course you can do that. We could do something like outer brim only and change the brim width into something like 5 to 10 millimeters. So in my case, 5 works best. So you could just do that, and basically this will apply better bed adhesion on our base model. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.